There's this me and you and Cassie and our body is one another way, and that's our end.
Thank you for your story. Calliope, will you please tell a story?
Yes, it's very long.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a little dog. He was lost in a faraway place. It was Chocolate Land. No!
It's Callie's turn to tell a story.
And there was not something at the thing. He think that he was heading to a ghost, but there is no such thing. But he dreamed that he was in a ghost forest. But there's only a little ending. So he went up to a haunted house and got his brothers and sisters and went into the woods of Forest Lane. The end.
Thank you for your story.
No, my turn.
Okay, tell your story.
There's a little dog in the woods and the kids. That's it.
That was a very short story.
Once upon a time, there was a little dog. He knew that he would never got lost in his dreams. But what was he did? He was hurrying home, but he lost one of his shoes. Then he hurried back into the forest and got it on. Then he dropped some lollipops. Then he ran back into the forest and got the lollipops that he dropped and went home.